Hey, good morning. All right, thank you. Good morning. So we are a fleet maintenance software. We specialize in inspections and maintenance. Everybody needs to do a DVIR for your DOT assets or any assets that you have, whether it be trucks, trailers, or equipment. You are able to assign inspection forms directly to assets and make sure that your drivers are going to inspect exactly what you expect out of them. From here, when we talk about our inspections, we do have a full template library. So from here, Sky, if you want to touch on the library.
Yeah, we have a massive template library, depending on what industry you're in, what compliances you're looking to uphold to, what kind of assets you're trying to inspect, whether that's going to be a tractor, truck, trailer, yellow iron, for a forklift, ambulance, and they're all customizable. So you can go into all these forms, put them into your inspection forms, and customize anything you want, or you can go ahead and just create a form from scratch.
So let's talk about building a form from scratch. Really simple. You have a lot of different types of assets in the fleet. We want to make sure that everything is customized directly to that asset. So when we start talking about building out inspections, inspections are made up of cards. You can have as many of these cards as you would like to, and on these cards are the checkpoints throughout your inspection. And we have different types of cards, whether it be single check, which is one item, pass or fail. Hold the phone. We have multi-check. From there, we also have multiple choice, where you can choose the relevant answer. You have check boxes where you can select multiple items. We have mileage and engine hours, alphanumeric and numeric. The signature, of course, where you sign to stay compliant. And then we also have photo cards. And we have two types of photo cards. We have mandatory and non-mandatory. Non-mandatory allow you to hit skip. Mandatory require a picture. So we talk about non-mandatory from driver accountability. Mandatory, we want to make sure that they're inspecting their assets the right way. So we can see my app on the screen right from here. So we have your assets loaded on the platform. You can scan barcodes, scan QR codes. You can select assets. We can assign assets to your drivers as well. From here, we can see the different types of forms, whether it be a pre-trip or a post-trip, an accident report, incident report. What do I want to do? I want to do a pre-trip. So it shows me my last inspection from a driver's perspective, and what I need to do on that is sign to proceed to stay compliant. So put your finger to the screen, sign your name, and then you're going to move through your inspection. Right? Now, we don't give you the ability to hit no defects found. You actually have to move through the inspection. You can't jump out of order. So the way that you want your drivers to move around that asset, you're going to go ahead and force them to do so. So as they're going through these, green checks mean everything is good. A red X means that you have a problem, or a fail means that you have an issue. Whenever you fail an item, you can simply take a picture of it. So right from there, I can capture this image. I can add additional photos if I need to. I can also annotate on this and point my team in the right direction. So if I wanted to just tell them, hey, look, there's a flat, I want to send that through, makes it really simple. Continue to move through your inspection. The optional photo card gives you the ability to hit skip. So if I don't see anything wrong with this asset, we're just going to bypass that. From here, we do have telematics integrations where we can pull in mileage, engine hours from those assets. From here, I want to just go ahead and type that in. Multiple choice, I choose the relevant answer. And then we have those mandatory photo cards where it could be, hey, I want to require a picture of the front of the truck with the lights on, all four corners. Right from here, I'm going to take a picture of the audience just to let you guys see exactly what comes in. We have to go ahead and save that photo before I can continue to move forward. And then I sign my name. So from here, once that inspection is submitted, you're going to have access to this on the back end. We're going to be able to receive those defects directly to your management team. You're going to be able to go from here, and then you're going to be able to view the inspection history directly on the back end from here as well. Now, with this, when the inspections come through, we'll be able to see this information. From there, looking at this, we can see everything that we went through. We can see the picture that I took from the audience. Sky, if you go to the main dashboard here, and if you scroll down, one thing that we'll be able to see is, I know that we're talking about AI, we do use a little bit of AI. So under our Inspections Pro, we flagged a picture right here. And what it's telling us right here, Sky, if you want to read that to the audience and let them know what it says.
The photo shows an audience seated in a conference or event setting, which is unrelated to the inspection item. Clean cab, take a picture. There is no visible truck cab or any part of the vehicle in the image, making it irrelevant to the expected item. Additionally, there is no driver comment to support the photo content.
So what that means essentially is if you guys are sitting out there and you want your drivers to perform a thorough inspection of the truck, you want to make sure that they're going to do exactly what you want them to do. We're going to sit there and tell you, hey, look, if you need to look at this, let us bring it to your attention. Your guys will do exactly what you want them to. We make it really simple. So if you want to see some more, hey, vote for Whip Around. Appreciate your time. Sorry you didn't get a womp womp.
Right.